Where's my shoes? Everyone's like getting annoyed with me because I'm the last one to get ready, as always. Hi guys! Happy New Year! I know I've been gone for like 4 months. I vlogged within those 4 months, but I never really posted anything because I never edited it. And then so yeah, I thought I'd vlog today since it's a new year. I'm hoping to like post up all my vlogs from August within this month. That's my goal, okay? That's my New Year's resolution. Try to finish all my videos and post them up on time. So we'll see. We're here with Alyssa, Miss Lady Ann, and Mom. Mom's here too. We're gonna go get some lights and some stuff for the storage, I think. What? She's trying to You're gonna break my glasses. These are so expensive. Whatever. Oh, Mom. This is what I thought. What's her idea? You have to shelf it, and you have to screw it to the wall. But you have to get the one that's moist absorbent. Long enough. Delete! And I got you a New Year's gift. Oh. That's occupied, that's occupied. Oh! Maybe we can sit here because it's vacant. Oh! My back! You're so stupid. Why would you go my back and go forward? Oh my god. Mom! Mom, look at that, Mom! Mom! She said, I don't know you. Rest assured, this will store all of our items.
I know what you ordered, lady. Chicken tender.
Wrong! They don't have ribs anymore? That looks good too. Okay, let's get chicken tenders. Okay, we got our food. We're gonna eat really quick. I'm full. I'm just trying to trick Lady Ann. I already know what it was. No, you didn't. So did. You thought you did. Oh my god. You guys are just making kalat-kalat, huh? The weight of it, that's why. Why is the red one so red? Oh, because... Look at Alyssa. My head. What'd you do? I don't know. Stop stretching. It's itchy now. I know. I think I should just put this here. Oh, it's like really red now. What the heck? I wonder what it is. Mommy, I feel like it's getting worse.
Kasi kamot ka ng kamot eh.
Ouch.
You know, may kumagat dyan, oh.
Something bit me?
Siguro. Huwag mo nang akamutin, tapos mamaya nalagyan natin bilitan ng Benadryl.
Benadryl. Like the cream? Yeah. Even Dad felt the earthquake. Yeah. How again, Lydia? How? No, that's just... This is all the things that we got. Wait, you got 2 of those? Oh no, you didn't. Anyways, I think we're gonna go home right after this. It's freaking cold. So we just got back home. Oh look, my neck isn't red anymore. We're trying to settle in right now. I'm gonna try to post up all of my videos, vlogs from last year, August, I guess, till December, because we did a lot of stuff. We met Jordan Fisher. We went to Dancing with the Stars. What else did we do? We saw, what's his name? Frankie Grande at Universal Studios.
Oh, yes.
I think that was
Lindsay, but we didn't get to.
yeah, we saw Lindsay too from Dancing with the Stars, and did I say we went to Dancing with the Stars? I think I did. And then we saw Jess and Gabe, and we just did a lot of stuff in the Burr months. September, yeah. And then, but we did a lot of stuff in the past few months, and I never got the chance to post up the videos.
Did you just say Burr months?
Yeah, the Burr months.
Cool.
September, October, November, December.
August, Burr.
Oh yeah, August. Yes, I forgot. But yeah, I'm gonna try to edit those videos. There's like a lot, because we were like gone not every single week, but we were gone for like a week and then another week and another week. So I'm gonna try to post up all of those vlogs this month. I'm not gonna promise anything. I'm gonna try to post it up all of this month. Did that make any sense? I don't know. Anyways,
Lauren, okay, can you give us the list?
hold on.
Trying to edit
Wait,
vlog here.
I know, I'm trying. Hold on, I'm gonna end this vlog really quick. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet, and watch out for my next videos, like a lot of them. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.